No lights, no signal, dead phones, warm fridges. This isn't a blackout. This is infrastructure collapse. The power isn't coming back. Not tomorrow, not next year. What to do in the first 72 hours without electricity. This isn't a blown transformer. This is global silence. Your first actions will determine everything. Rule number 1 of post-blackout survival. Whatever works now won't work for long. Step 1. Water. Your pipes might still have pressure. Take everything. Bathtubs, bottles, buckets, freezer ice. Check water heaters, toilet tanks, drainage systems. DIY water survival hacks. Build a filter using a bottle, charcoal, sand, and cloth. Distill water. Boil it and collect steam on a cold surface. Bowl, foil. Condense water. Dig a pit. Use plastic wrap and wet grass. Drink the drops. Water may be chemically or radiologically contaminated. Don't drink it without boiling or distillation. Step 2. Food. Eat what's dying first. Without refrigeration, food spoils fast. Start with everything in the fridge and freezer. Then move to canned food, grains, salt, nuts, and honey. Prepper essentials to store ahead. Dry soups, hardtack, instant meals. Manual can opener, your teeth won't last forever. Step 3. Light, heat, and fire. Energy is currency. Batteries are gold, but they don't last. Always have 1 to 2 fully charged power banks. DIY energy ideas. Make an oil lamp from a can, oil, and a wick. Craft a homemade battery. Find tutorials online. What about solar panels? Yes, they work, but enough to charge a phone or maybe run a fridge or hot plate. You become a target. Others will want your electricity. Wind, water, or thermal power? Possible, but minimal. This is bare bones DIY survival. Step 4. Tools. What you need to survive. Multi-tool or survival knife, radio or walkie-talkie, manual or battery-powered, wires, ropes, duct tape, flashlight, crank or dynamo, fire-resistant cookware, notebook and pen, memory fades, paper doesn't. Stick with people who act, not panic. Alone, you won't last long. You have 72 hours. Panic or prepare, your choice. No electricity isn't the apocalypse, but doing nothing, that's how it starts.